Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great today. Yes guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you the top 10 benefits of consuming pineapple. If today is your first time coming across my channel, hi, you're welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to show some love to this video by giving me a thumbs up, leave me a nice comment, and also do not forget to subscribe. And to all my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I appreciate you guys. Number 1 on my list, pineapple may improve the taste and smell of vaginal secretions. Both testosterone and estrogen are critical for managing a woman's sexual desire. One of the important benefits of pineapple sexually is that this fruit can increase hormone production, including testosterone levels. Pineapple has a fresh scent and can benefit overall health. Number 2, improve digestion. If you have digestion problems, you can fix it by adding some pineapple to your regular diet. Three, helps strengthen your nails. If your orgasm lacks vitamin A and B, your nails are likely to break and crack a lot. To keep your nails strong and healthy, use pineapple. A source of both, it could be applied topical and moist regularly. Four, improve libido. Pineapple is a popular libido booster. It contains high amounts of thiamine and vitamin C. These are known for stimulating the happiness hormones and supplying the body with a hefty dose of energy. Five, reduces stress. Pineapple contains a good level of several B vitamins, which prepare your brain to function better and boosts your ability to deal with stress efficiently. Six, good for skin. Good skin feels like a happy dream. Let's incorporate pineapple to brighten our skin. Seven, prevents nausea. Sometimes nausea can be fatal based on various circumstances. Digestive enzymes present in pineapple solve this problem. Eight, good for teeth. Our teeth need a good amount of calcium for their strength. Daily, drink a glass of pineapple juice to improve your teeth. Nine, reduces symptoms of arthritis. Bromelain, present in pineapple, has anti-inflammatory properties, which helps in reducing joint aches. May help reduce the risk of blood clots. Blood clots are harmful to our body as it hampers the natural blood flow of our bodies, causing several deadly diseases. So why suffer from it when you can easily add pineapple to your daily diet? So we've come to the end of this video. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, this is the right time to do so. Please kindly subscribe, turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of my new uploads. Leave me a nice comment and give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next one. Bye. I should fuck her